Okay, so let's take the ring. We're gonna put our whole face down and open our eyes for 2 seconds. 1, 2, 3, ready, go. 1, 2. Good job, good job. Now let's take the purple ring.
Hey, my purple.
And we're gonna put our eyes down for 3 seconds. So don't pick your head up until I get to 3. Are you ready?
My nose comes with the water.
That's okay, you just kind of close your mouth. Put your face down gently so that you don't get water up your nose. Do it like this. There you go. This way, brush your face across it. Oh my goodness, I wasn't even counting. I think you got till about 6. Can we count on this one? Why don't I count and see how long you do it?
Okay.
1, 2, 3, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow, you got to 7. Okay, get the blue one more time. This time when I film, I'm gonna film underwater so I can see if you're opening your eyes. You ready? 1, 2, 3, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep going. 6, 7. I saw you waving to me. Very nice job.
There's friends in the bottom.
You're waving to all your friends?
Mhm.
Good.